In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the Razorpay payment gateway to your Shopify store. This will enable you to securely process payments, giving your customers the flexibility and ease of making purchases directly from your online store. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure everything's set up correctly and seamlessly. First, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. If you haven't logged in already, open your browser, head over to Shopify's website, and sign in using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify dashboard. This is your control center where you manage your store operations. Next, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the dashboard, where you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on it to access the various configurations available for your store. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Payments option. Clicking on Payments will bring you to the section where you can manage and add payment methods to your store. This section is crucial for enabling transactions and ensuring your customers have a seamless shopping experience. On the Payments page, seek out the Add Payment Method button. Clicking this will open up a list of various payment providers you can integrate with your Shopify store. From here, we want to move forward by clicking on Search by Provider, which will help us locate Razorpay easily. In the search bar that appears, type in Razorpay. Razorpay is a popular payment gateway in many regions, known for its security and ease of integration, making it a great choice for your Shopify store. Once you've typed in Razorpay, you should see it listed among the results. Select Razorpay from the list and follow any additional prompts to complete the integration. This process might ask for details or credentials from your Razorpay account, so ensure you have those handy. The prompts are typically designed to guide you through the necessary steps to connect your Shopify store to Razorpay seamlessly. After these steps, your Shopify store should be all set with Razorpay as a payment option. Be sure to test the payment process to confirm everything is functioning properly. It's important to simulate a transaction to ensure your setup is working smoothly before customers begin making purchases. And there you have it. By following these clear and manageable steps, you've successfully integrated Razorpay into your Shopify store, ready to accept payments securely and efficiently from your customers. This process is an essential part of setting up your store for success and providing a better shopping experience. If you encounter any issues, remember that both Shopify and Razorpay offer support resources to assist you. Thank you for joining me today, and best of luck with your Shopify store.